What's up, y'all? It's your girl Karen Baby Curious Ladies, and I'm back with another video. And today, I'm going to watch me do my hair. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to this video. Okay, so first I need to take this down because. Okay, so I've been meaning to do my hair for the longest, and I don't know why I ain't been trying to do my hair, but it's like I've been finding hairstyles that I've been wanting to do, but I don't be going ahead and going ahead on and doing it. So guess what we're gonna do today? I've been recording. Okay, so I missed doing this, recording myself, doing YouTube. You know, we gotta get back to how we was going at first because no. So let's get started to this video. Like I've been said was so doing, but I always do this, like girl. But we're gonna be alright. Okay, so for my hairstyle, I think I'm gonna do a slick back. Because doing the slick back on 4C hair is the hardest hairstyle there is out there. And I don't know about y'all, but I be struggling out here. Like I be trying to do a cute hairstyle, but then I just end up doing a puff, because my hair don't be wanting to cooperate with me, and it's like, girl, why is she doing all of this? We got school tomorrow. Like, girl, is this problems? I thought so. Okay, so let's get started. Let me go start. Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell y'all what I'm doing right now. Right now I am brushing out my hair because like I need to make sure I get all the nets out, and because I don't have a comb, I'm forced to use a brush. So I'm gonna just get all my nets out my head, and yeah. Y'all. I'm finna finish combing out my hair, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm finished. I just finished brushing out my hair, and this brush it did somewhat good. It did good. It did somewhat good. So now I gotta start the process of slicking my hair back, and yeah, that's like the hardest process is slicking your hair back. Okay, so to slick my hair back, I'm gonna be using Eco Crystal, you know, the crystal clear one, and I'm also gonna be using 24-hour edge chamber. My edge brush to section off my hair, and I'm going to be using my brush to stick it back. This is a hard brush. If you want to do a slick back with 4C hair, I advise you to use a hard brush, because if you get a soft brush, it's not going to give what it's supposed to give. So yeah. Okay, so my hair is not cooperating with this slick back. So I just got a new hairstyle idea. I got a new idea. It might not work out, but why not try? Okay, so instead of doing one slick back, I'm gonna do like two. So I'm just gonna get this right here. Oh, that's straight. Oh yeah, and I got some combs. If you can't see that, got some combs. And now I'm finna put in two slick back ponytails because I don't want my hair to look a hot mess. So, because I'm not finna walk around my hair looking any kind of way. No. Okay, y'all, so this is cute, simple, you know, it's not too much, not too little. I don't know about that, so I'm just gonna get out 360, so, okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.